Time to build the ship again. Da da dee 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 dee. Doo 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 doo. Wait, why are we building the ship for this guy? If he just basically decapitated us. Because if we don't, he said he's gonna decapitate us again and leave us that way. Exactly. Now, get to it. Oh, here's the cockpit. Let's see. Nope, that doesn't work like that. Oh man, this is hard. What? You expect that repairing the ship of an evil Sith guy would be easy? Well, yeah. You have a lot to learn in life, my friend. A lot. I remember when I repaired my first evil guy ship. The dude hated me because I destroyed it. Though the destruction of it was accidental, he still hated me. And I was me. Here we go. Dude. Yay, it's pretty cool. And now I can finally, what the? What the? Ah! What in the? Ah! Why is everyone afraid of me? What did I do? What did I do that made everyone afraid of me? Have you looked in the mirror? What? Why? You'll see. What the? No. Am I ugly? Ah, my face! Oh, no, I need to get my helmet back on. Ah, better. Now, to depart. Dun 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 dun. What the? Ah! That time it wasn't us. I'm going to get angry. Ah! Ah! That should hold. I hope. I I don't want him mad. He could decapitate us again. Okay, I'm putting my lightsaber in the holding pen. Okay. If my ship breaks again, well, I'm getting into it. You wish that I never called Geico. Well, that wasn't as serious as a break. But I must bid you all farewell. Birdbot, yes sir. Fly the other ship back. Hey, it's my ship! Okay then, you don't have to. Just hop on my ship the way you did before it was Destiny Roid. What does that mean? It was destroyed. Before it was destroyed. Now just go do that. Okay? But what if I wanna stay here? I said go do that. Fine. I won't stay here with the Australians. Goodbye, you little peoples. Wait a minute. Where's the cockpit on? Where's the cockpit on my ship? Oops. It kind of broke. No! How am I supposed to fly? You don't. Wait a minute. Here you go, sir. And that shall be free of charge. Wait a minute. You charged me $20.99 for mine. And you didn't charge him anything? Well, he didn't threaten us. Ah! Here. Your $20 back. Good. Now, goodbye to you all. I'm gonna be heading off too. Well, at least it all ended okay. Yep. Hey, that fox dropped something. Hey, it's an emerald. Ooh, it's all blue and shiny. Mine! Darth Vader, what the? Whoa! It's dark! It is mine. Whee! Well, no pay. I guess you're right. Oh well. Let's get back to sleeping. Like we were before he came along and ruined everything. Okay. La 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 pow. Pow. Wow 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 wow. Oh no! My goggles! No! Meanwhile, in an area off of planet and part didn't, well, it was still on the planet. feels so great for my ship to be fixed. Now to go find all of the emeralds. Wah, 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 wah.